How much money should an individual set aside for healthcare to avoid going bankrupt with 90% probability? So we know that healthcare bounces around 2,000 with variance 1 million. Big variance. And we need to find a little x such that healthcare expenses are less than that little x with 0.9 probability. Let's draw ourselves a little picture first. We know that healthcare expenses bounce around 2,000, and we need to find a little x such that the probability that big X is less than that little x is 0.9. So that's our reverse problem. We're given a probability and we need to find an x. But as before, we don't have tables for normal 2,000, 1 million, and so we need to turn this problem into something that involves z. Z is normal 0, 1, and we get it when we subtract the mean from both sides of the inequality and divide by the standard deviation, again on both sides of the inequality. That gives us z here on the left hand side, and it gives us this expression on the right hand side, and that probability is supposed to be equal to 0.9. Now, since z is normal 0, 1, we can find what this number is in tables. We draw ourselves a little picture for z, where z bounces around 0, and here is a 0.9 area. We can find in tables what is the number that corresponds to 0.9 area, and that number happens to be 1.28. So we know that this expression here has to be equal to 1.28. And we can set it equal to 1.28 and then solve this equation. So if we multiply both sides by 1,000, that gives us 1,280 on the right hand side, and we add 2,000 on both sides, and we have that x equals $3,128.